Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. Deepika from BA I am studying in TDW RGC Kottagudem. Now, dealing my subject is economics, and I would like start to my topic is break-even analysis. Introduction: a break-even analysis is used to determine how much sales value our business needed to start making a profit. The break-even analysis is especially useful when we are developing a pricing strategy either as part of a marketing plan or business plan. In economics and business, especially cost accounting, the break-even point is BEP is the point at which costs are expense and revenue are equal. There is no net loss or gain, and no one has broken even. Total cost is equal total revenue is equal to break even point. Break even analysis: in order to calculate how profitable a product will be, we must firstly look at the cost, price and revenue inverted. There are two basic types of costs a company incurred: variable cost, fixed cost. Variable cost are costs that change with changes in production levels or sales. Examples including costs of materials used in the production of the goods. Fixed costs remain roughly the same regards of sales output levels. Examples include rent, insurance and wages. Use of break-even point. Useful in discussing the minimum quantity of sales. Helpful in determining or tender price. Helpful in the examining effects upon organization's profitability. Helpful in deciding about the substitution of new plants. Helpful in sales price and quality. Helpful in determining marginal cost. Break even point graph is there. We can see blue color is profit, red color is loss. Where the loss and profit are intersecting, they will be forming the break even point. Use of break even